Hi. So I'm at Leeton right now, and I'm waiting for my train which will take me to Broomfield, the least used station on whole of 4th Rail. We are leaving Russell Lane right now, and Broomfield is literally not that far from here. We are already approaching it. So here is Broomfield, and as you can see there is not much here. There is an old station shelter, and an old dilapidated bridge from 1889 which only one person can go on at a time. There is also an abandoned platform, which means trains only go in one direction. Let's leave the station for a few seconds. As you can see, Broomfield is a small town, just like Upper Staplow in Stepford. And there is a dot matrix, which tells us that there is already another service which should be arriving in about a minute.